Test tayo ng rice cooker. 100 watts. Yan. Tubig. Kakayanin na natin 200 watts din. Inverter natin. Yan. 400 watts. Tapos may peak na 800 watts. So, connected yan dito sa small solar natin. Ito yung fake na breaker Pepsi. Connected dito and then battery. S11P na battery. Patay ko muna yung LVD. Alright, so let's turn this on. Ito, warm. Then moment of truth. Try natin. Kakayanin ba? Cook. Nag-4 ang hindi kayang kayang ulit warm lang pag nag-cook. So papasiguro 800 watts yung surge niya. Ito 200 watts na rice cooker. Okay, fail testing. Bye bye.